Hey, entrepreneurship students, welcome back. I hope you guys had a good staycation. I know I did. It was good to stay up late, sleep in late, and not have too much on the agenda. This week, we're asking you to step back and take a look at the new opportunities that are arising all around us right now because of the COVID problem that we're all getting through. On the picture, you'll see a couple of face masks that students, no, not that students, that family members of mine made. They made them to give away. It's kind of representative of the phase of the game where we are right now. In the face of a difficult situation, what new opportunities arrive? And how can we, as entrepreneurs, take advantage of that? So, this week, what we're going to be looking at is exactly that problem. I would like you guys to identify some problems that are being brought about by COVID-19. Now, the flip side of every problem is an opportunity. So we would like you by the end of the week to propose a problem that you're thinking of and to share that with us on a bug list, which is a Padlet that Ms. Hernandez has created for you here where you can see the hyperlink. A bug list could be starting off with thinking about all the things that are bothering you this week. What's getting on your nerves? What could be done better? We gave you some ideas underneath here that, for example, I started thinking about somebody like my mom and other abuelitos that are in our area that are home alone, and that this is more difficult for them than it is for the rest of us. Soon, the rest of us will probably be able to have more mobility and get around, but abuelitos are looking at a much longer time that they're going to have restricted movement or even be stuck in their homes. So there's one problem we were taking a look at. Another one that I've been able to identify is that these videos that we're making for you guys, a lot of times you might have watched them the first week or the second, but a lot of people aren't watching them right now. So we teachers have this problem. We need you guys to consume and be ready and understand what the assignments are for the week. But how can we do that if you're not watching the videos? Is there a way to do something that's more interesting and something that kids would take a look at? I would be super interested to find the answer of that problem. So another problem and solution that I wanted to point out to you is this week I got a basket of fruits and vegetables from Canasta Cosecha Regia, and you should take a look at their video right here. They are a company that collects from a lot of farms right here in Nuevo Leon, fruits and vegetables, and they bring them farm to market to restaurants. And restaurants, of course, which are not doing the volume nearly that they had been doing in the past, are not making orders. And so they reorganized and started reaching out to the community and delivering baskets of fruits and vegetables directly to people's home. So these are some of the examples of problems and possible solutions that are out there. But we want you guys to go ahead and take a look at what you can come up with this week. Post it on the Padlet. And that's your assignment for this week. Keep your eyes open. Look for new opportunities. Thanks. Bye.